Hey guys, my name is Rudy and welcome to another project. It's only January and this one came at an unscheduled time. Went in my car, heard a clicking sound, and that's all she wrote for this battery. So, I'm curious. I know I live here in Florida, you can kind of tell behind me here. But I'm kind of curious. Batteries don't tend to last very long here, but this is ridiculous. This battery here was installed in May the 2nd, 2022. Here we are in January 24, sorry. And it already died. This is the second battery, so therefore it ended my warranty, and I had to go out and buy a new battery right from the box. So I got about 3.5 years out of this, but 2 batteries, I think it's a little ridiculous. I'm wondering if it's just crappy batteries or what the deal is. I know that Advanced Auto Parts taken over, so I don't know if that made a difference. Those of you watching, I'm seeing a little scatterbrain because this is about the third version of this video I did. For some odd reason, I can't do tilted screens now. So, step 1, go ahead and pull your hood release latch. Reach under. And if you have cars like mine, you have to have the stand here. I don't know why they don't do springs anymore. I guess that takes up room. So what I already did here is I already went ahead and vacuumed the area, and I moved the cables kind of out of the way the best I can to keep barking. It's barking while we're over there. So pretty much you unscrewed this right here. If you can't get to it, you can undo these over here. For the most part, it's pretty easy. You got to make sure that they're pretty tight. I went ahead and vacuumed this. Down here is actually the release latch. You just want to loosen that up, keep from getting in the way. And so let me give you the tools that you'll need. Screwdriver in case you need to pry open the terminals here. There's a negative. There's positive. Very important to note that. And like I said, this will be a quick video, so to make this easy. So for the bottom, you need the 13 size. Me for the positive, I use, I'm sorry, let's try this again. For the bottom here, you got the 13 millimeter. For the negative, it's in half. And for the positive, it's a 10. Again, note positive and negative. Terminal should be facing towards you. Most batteries, lift the battery up simply. Put it in. Let's see, and that would be backwards. Working one-handed is, like I said, now Rudy's still hiring a camera person. Work is free, but benefits are great. Gonna push the positive back here and get the battery in here. Slide it underneath the little plate back here. Steps are actually really simple. Now what you need to do is open up this package. Take the red one, put it on the positive. Take the black one that's underneath, put it on the negative, and go ahead and put this dielectric stuff on here. Coat the terminals with it. That'll prevent rust. Then what you'll do is you'll connect the negative here, and you'll connect the positive. Try to do it in a smooth motion, a minimum amount of sparking. Okay guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Happy motoring. Till next time, take care.